Welcome to this Python programming podcast. I'm Victor Ningetich, and today we're going to dive into the world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or just getting started, this episode is perfect for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have written your first Python script, and you'll understand some basic Python concepts that will lay the foundation for your programming journey. Let's begin by setting up Python on your computer. Head over to python.org, the official Python website. Once there, click on the download button that matches your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. After downloading, follow the installation prompts. It's important to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation, as this ensures Python can be run from your command line. Once Python is installed, let's check that it's working. Open your terminal or command prompt type and hit enter. If everything's set up correctly, you should see the version of Python you installed. If you're on Mac or Linux, try. This confirms Python is ready to go. Now let's write our first Python script. Open up your text editor or Integrated Development Environment, IDE. I recommend using VS Code, but you can also use idle, which comes bundled with Python. In a new file, type the following line of code: Python print hello world. This script uses the function, which is one of the most basic functions in Python. It tells the program to display the text inside the quotation marks. Now, save this file with the extension, something like. To run the script, open your terminal or command prompt again, navigate to the folder where you saved the file and type. If you're on Mac or Linux, use. When you hit enter, Python will execute the script, and you should see hello world printed in your terminal. Congratulations, you've just written and executed your first Python program. Now let's explore some basic Python concepts. One of Python's strengths is its simple and readable syntax. Let's look at how we can work with variables. In Python, you don't need to declare the type of a variable, you can just assign a value to it. For example, and. Here we assign the string Victor to the variable and printed it. When you run this, you'll see Victor printed in the terminal. Variables can also hold numbers. Here's how to store an integer Python age =25 print age. This will output 25 when you run the script. You can also do math with these variables. For example, Python x =5 y =3 result x plus y print result. This will print 8, because Python adds the values of and stores the result in. Let's look at another important concept in Python: functions. Functions allow you to organize your code and make it reusable. Here's how you can define and call a function in Python: def greet, print, hello world, greet. This defines a function called, and when you call it with, it prints, hello world. We've just covered printing text, working with variables, doing math, and creating functions. These are the building blocks of Python. As you continue to practice, you'll learn more advanced topics like loops, conditionals, and how to work with libraries. Python is used in a variety of fields, from web development and data analysis to automation and game development. With just these basics, you're already on your way to becoming a Python programmer. That's it for today's Python tutorial. Now, go ahead and experiment with what you've learned. Change the values of your variables, try out different math operations, and create new functions. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for listening to today's episode. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.